Hello guys, today we are reviewing Digimore A550 condenser mic which we bought from the Amazon recently. It is available at an affordable price over the market and it is has a very sexy design. It is of a great use for audio jockeys, YouTubers and cinematographers. Each and every component was arranged in a foam casting. They have provided a user's manual also for the purpose of arrangement and usage. The headphones were flexible and nice in quality. The condenser was good in design. It had one side sleeve and one side screw type of pin mechanism for mounting it with shock absorbing mic clamp. The shock absorbing mic clamp was really sexy in design. It was very weightless and it had all the fastness to mount it over the arm and rotate it in the angle which are near. There was a warranty card too provided with it with all the instructions for the purpose of registering the warranty. Here comes the main amenities, guys: the sound card, the arm, the mic, and the peripherals. The sound card was new and it was very silky when touching. It was provided with battery which has 4-hour battery backup, and the sound card was Bluetooth connectivity also, guys. It had all types of pins in the back: mobile pin, mic connecting pin, background track pin, condenser mic pin. Yeah. Here comes the clamp to mount in on the table on which the arm goes and rests. It was pretty nice as the fasteners were of good quality. The mic cable was of more than 2 meters long and it was of good quality either. Actually, the mobile connecting pin was given. I don't know why they gave it, but it was of great use. They have provided an adapter which has a universal C pin at an end and an audio peripheral connector at an end. Basic fun part is that here in this model they have given the cable of the headset in separate. The power cable was made of nylon insulated wire and it was of good quality. Here comes the main part, guys. The arm was very weightless, very flexible and given with high tension springs for purpose of maneuvering. One was provided with fastener to get attached with the mic holder, another one to get attached with the table holding clamp. Here comes the hero of the box, guys, the mic. The mic had a separate pouch in which side the mic was wrapped perfectly. After opening the box and taking out all the components, I started assembling one after the other. Guys, plug the mic with its plug. The shock absorbing mic holder had a two axis controllable socket, which is equipped by different fasteners so that it can be mounted on the arm and turn whichever direction is required. I assembled it over the arm with the fastening arrangement whichever is provided. Attach the headphone connecting pin to the location where it has to be attached. With all the sub peripherals getting attached or connected, then I started mounting table clamp for the arm mounting to the table. I gave a medium tightness to the table clamp and I mounted the arm and rested it over the table clamp. I mounted the mic to the mic clamp. Plugging the condenser to the mic mounting. Then I started plugging the pins one by one to the audio card. I used the extra tie to wrap up the extra cables from my mic.